Hey, I'm Donovan Trip, and today I'm going to show you how to use Rap Coach. So when you open Rap Coach, you're going to notice across the top of the screen, you have choices for a beat and for a topic. A beat in hip hop is the instrumental in the background. So what we're going to do is we're going to pick a beat we like. Let's go with Dem Boys. Then topic. You hit the shuffle button, and you get a variety of topics. The future and fame, that'll work. So, you come down to the bottom of the screen and hit play. And what'll start happening is you'll have a counter that leads you into when you want to start rapping. And you can rap these words in any count on the beat, as long as you're on the beat. And it actually blinks on beat to help you kind of get a grasp of that. For example, program, 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 program. And they're also color-coded so you know which words are rhyming with each other. So a good way to start out, if you've never rapped before, is try to nail hitting those words on count, on beat. That's one of the most important things. So just start practicing the words themselves, and then adding words around it. For example, supersonic, prefer, enthrall, reliable, in the sacred hall, but you know scarcity's viable. He was a real hell raiser. You can just start playing with it. The most important thing is to start doing it.